Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Huda Beauty's Diamond Balm. So I got this in PR. Look at this package. These are 6 soothing glossy balms infused with the appearance of diamond dust for a super sparkly pout. Okay, so it says it comes in 6 ethereal shades and they have really hydrating ingredients, including mango butter, which is really interesting. I've never heard of mango butter. It also says that it has a really unique formula and really luscious shine. So I'm just gonna take one out here to show you guys real quick, and obviously I'm gonna be swatching all of them on my lips. But look at this tube, super cute. You have the iridescent vibes going on. Ooh. These are beautiful. So my first thought is, I wonder if this sparkle is all just gonna come off and then it's gone, but it does look like it's in the formula. At least if you look on the tip there. I don't know if it's showing on camera. This is so sparkly that it's having a hard time picking it up. But first, let me take my lipstick off. I should have done that already. All right, so all that's left is a little bit of my lip liner along the outside there. Let's try this guy out. So this is the shade Negligee. Negligee? I think it is Negligee. This is the one that I already just showed you guys. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's iridescent. It does feel super hydrating. And when I looked at this, I thought that this might be like a little gritty on your lips, but it's not at all. It's very smooth. I love this. It's very space chic, you know? So that is that shade. Let me swatch it on my hand. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are even gonna be able to see this on camera. It's a very, very sheer sheen, but it has sparkles. So again, that is Negligee. I wonder if the rest are as sheer as that, because it pretty much just looks like it just has an iridescent coating with some sparkles on it. Next up, we'll do Lace Panty. Panty, ooh. I feel like this one would definitely be my shade. I mean, I'm jumping the gun because there are still 4 others that I need to try, but I really like this one. I feel like this is your lips, but with some extra sparkle. I also tested on my hand here. So this one has a little bit more of a color. It's definitely still a sheer pink, but you can see it right here. Oh, I don't even want to take this one off. I love it. Right, next up we have Censored. Just this really pretty purple. Oh my god. These would have been perfect for Coachella. Such a shame that was canceled. I mean, obviously I know why, but yeah, this is very intergalactic. I do like that a lot though. It's like, it adds like just like an extra like boom. Like, it's not crazy. Like, it's definitely different and it's bright, but it's not too like in your face. It's just like a little like she a baddie, you know? Next up we have Femme Fatale. I'm so excited to see this one. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm so excited to see if this is like a darker shade. Oh yeah, it's like a plum. Ooh, I really love this shade. It is such a gorgeous plum, but it also has that iridescence to it. It just looks nice. I can't even describe it. You can definitely wear this on a night out without it being too crazy. It's not super dark, but it's not light. It has just the perfect amount of like tone to it. And the iridescent isn't like crazy on this one. To me, this looks like when you eat like a purple popsicle, like a grape popsicle. You know, just a little kiss of color, a little kiss of purple. Next up, we have Seductress. Ooh, really pretty baby pink. Crap, I lost track with my like hand swatches. I was getting too into it. Okay, so this one is Censored. So you can definitely see more of that purple showing up. And then this one is Femme Fatale, the one that we just had on. So you can definitely see that there's way more pigment in that one. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Holy crap. This one is super, super, super iridescent. So this is a pale pink with gold sparkles in it. And you can really see those gold sparkles. I actually really like this. When I did that first swipe, I was like, oof, this is too much. But you know where I can envision this is on the beach when you don't want to wear any makeup, you have a big pair of glasses on, throw this on, instantly chic. I really love this one. So it's not coming up that much because it is more of a sheer like I showed you guys, as you can see on here, but it's definitely like all about the gold sparkles. And then last but not least is Dirty Thoughts. So this is another purple. There's a lot of purples in this collection. Even taking this off, you can still see the gold sparkles on there, which I feel like further emphasizes my point that this would be perfect for the beach. So, you know, like when this gets wet or eventually comes off, you're still left with that amazing gold glitter on there. Okay, again, Dirty Thoughts, I already showed you guys. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I was hating on this color when I first saw it because I was like, there are 2 other purples. Is it really necessary to have another one? But yes, it is. This, I feel like I'm gonna change my mind and this might be my favorite. It's weird because obviously you can see it, it looks like it's lilac, but I feel that this is more true to my natural lip color for some reason. I don't know how that works, but it's looking really, really nice. And this one has like greeny blue shift glitter in it. I just really love this one. Okay, so let me swatch it for you guys. So it's right here. So as you can see, there are really only 2 that are super pigmented. I would say the next one that's pigmented is this guy here, which is my original one that I really liked. And then the rest are more of a sheer formula with just glitter in it. I really like this formula. It does feel really, really moisturizing. I just said really like 1,000 times, but it's just so beautiful. So I wanna try like the harsh glitter on my lip and see what happens. So it wore away kind of the appearance on the outside, but there is glitter throughout the entire lipstick, so no matter how many times you use this, the glitter is still gonna be there. Wow guys, I am really happy with these. This is obviously the end of the video, but let me know what you guys think of them. This formula is it really is a unique formula. I can't even describe it. It feels so moisturizing. I can't wait to whip these out in like the fall and winter especially, but I mean also for the beach like I told you guys, but imagine this moisture in the winter when your lips are so dry and cracked. So if you guys wanted to purchase these, they are available in store and online. So yeah, let me know what shade you guys liked the most. I feel like I'm gonna wind up wearing this for the rest of the day, and I have a few other videos to film, so yeah. Anyway, give this video a like if you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.